Hello everyone, so I've got this Mitsubishi Outlander with a broken fog light. So it's quite simple to do this. First I have to get this surround out, so I'm going to use this plastic tool here to pull that out, and then we'll be able to get to that. So let me just pull this out and I'll show you what I mean. So there you go, come out of the tabs there. So all that needs to happen, Phillips screwdriver to take that off, and there's one just here, just up here, you see, just there, and then that will come off. So I've taken the two screws off there, and that third screw up there, so it sits like that. So you can see there's actually four, but this bit here is just a plastic guiding thread there, just to make sure it's all square. So now that I've taken the screws, all it is you just pull it out, and you've got the connector just there. So there you go, there's the connector there. Here's the part number if any of you need it. So all this is just literally on there. Sorry for my camera angle. Just press like this and it should pop out. It's hard videoing and doing this at the same time. Very brittle. Press down and then pull out. So I'm just going to do that now. Bear with. While I'm here, there's also, so that one's up there, and then there's this one. So again, just push that tab down and it will come out, and there you have it. So I just pushed in there and pulled outwards away, and it's come off. So there you go, there's the old one, there's the new one. So it's literally a case of just put those connectors there, the top one and then this bottom one here, bung it in there, and that's it. Job's a good one. So there you go, I've connected it up, and before I screw them in there, so let me see if it works, and it does. There you go, lovely jubbly. And there you have it. The screws are all in, it is all secured. All that's left to do now is get this in there, and it's literally, you've got the slots, you can't go wrong. Well, he says famous last words. Put them into the grooves. They should, in theory, click in. Been a bit brutish there, but there you go, all sorted. Lovely jubbly. There's the old one. All it needed is a Phillips and a trim removal tool, and you're done. Hope that helped. If you like and subscribe.